Hello. Today we'll be learning about the Hill cipher problem in cryptography with the code 18CS744. The question they say they give only two things. One is your key and there is a plain text called as pay more money. So how to encrypt it? And they have given a hint that A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 25. So write down those things here. The values A from 0 and Z ends with 25. Write it down so that it will help you out further. I will tell you how it will help you out in further steps. For an encryption, we have C is nothing but your ciphertext. Ciphertext is equal to encryption, and two parameters which we are passing is one is key, another one is your plain text. So that is what we have taken here as key and plain text. You can write it here like this, or we have used it as plain text into key mod of 26. Okay, this is also correct. Now to decrypt, we have plain text. Plain text is what we have to get when after decryption. So decryption, and two parameters which we are passing here for decryption function is your key and as well as your ciphertext. So it is here k inverse. Okay, inverse matrix we are passing here, not the exact k. Okay, now you can write it like this and you can calculate, but I prefer to take it in this way. Okay, so it is nothing but your 3. See, this is 1 cross 3, 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 3. So basically 1 cross 3 into 3 cross 3 is nothing but 3 and 3 cancel. You get it as 1 cross 3 only. So final matrix will be 1 cross 3 matrix. You should remember that. Okay, to calculate your C1 is nothing but C. You have to multiply like this. Take this matrix like this, and in this matrix like this you have to multiply. So P1 into K11, P2 into K21 and P3 into K31. That is your C1. Same way for C2 and C3 we can find out. Okay, now encryption process. How to encrypt a text? This is your pay more money. So you know already we told A0 to Z25 we wrote the numbers, no? So we have to take what is P. See here. Now P, where is P? We have P here. So P number what we have given is 15. So take P as 15, and A is 0 0, Y is 24 24. So like that you have to take down the numbers. Okay, this is very important because here when we take this P1 P2 P3 is your plain text 1 2 3. So that time we'll write down the numbers, not the alphabets. Okay, now always remember this is 3 cross 3 matrix, right? We have 3 cross 3 matrix, so we can take only 3 element at a time. So what we are doing, this pay more money, we are dividing it into pair of threes. So that is pay, MOR, EMO and NEY. We will encrypt this separately and we will get the encrypted value. Okay, now take done. C1 C2 C3, where your P1 is pay 15024, P1 P2 P3, then you have your key. This is your key what we have given, and mod 26. Now multiplication again proceeds like this only, which says that 15 into 17 plus 0 into 21 21 plus 24 into 22. And next you take 15 into 17 plus 0 into 18 plus 24 into 2. Then again next 15 into 5 plus 0 into 21 plus 24 into 19 whole into mod 6. Now let us calculate this. Okay, let us simplify this each term. Okay, now we are taking what is so we have to write 15 into 17. Okay, plus you have another, wait, we will just take it like this, 15 into 17, we got 225, plus you are having 0 into 21 is 0 only, 24 into 2 which is nothing but your 303. Okay, so take this as 303, first term. Second term again 15 into 17, right? 15 into 17, you've got one number. 0 into 18 is again 0 into 18 is again 0 only. Again if you take 24 into 2 you get 303, right? Next we are doing again 15 into 5 you get 75, plus 0 into 21 is 0 only. Again 24 into 19, when you're taking, what value you get is 531. Okay, we've got three values. Now when I do each one with modulus, right, we are taking each modulus. 303 divided by 26, you get a value called as 11, minus 11 into 26, you got 17. Correct? Again 303 modulus of 26, when you come 303 modulus of 26 will be again 17 only. Then next we are having another number, that is 531. 531 divided by 26, minus 20 into 26, you will get it as 11. So you're 11. Okay, now 17, 17, 11. You're having 17, 17, 11. What is your 17? Number 17 here is nothing but your R, and number 11 is your L. So we are filling this by the R, R, L. Okay, similarly, when you do for all the rest other alphabets, you will get for more, EMO and any Y. When you do similarly, you get 22, 12, 22, 1, 10, 0, 18, 15, 3 and 7. What is this? Now let us start filling it and come. What is 12? 12 is nothing but your M. 22 is nothing but your W. See, 12 is M, 22 is your W, right? We'll fill here M, W, 1 is your B, 10. What is your alphabet number 10? 10 is K, right? K. And then what is 0? 0 is your A. What is your 18? 18 is S. 15 is your P. Then what is alphabet 3 is your D, and 7 is your H. So what is that we have got? We have got R, R, L, M, W, B, K, A, S, P, D, H is your cipher text. This is your cipher text, what we have got. Now I guess you have understood whatever this is. Okay, we have taken this as 17, 17 and 11, which says that it is R, L. Okay, we have got this enough. Now in order to decrypt something, you should find K inverse always. Okay, here we talked about encryption. Now let us see the decryption formula. We have known K inverse is what we have to find out. So in order to find out the K inverse, how we will do is 1 divided by the determinant of K into adjacent of K. Okay, where the determinant of K is found out like this. Okay, now always remember, determinant plus minus plus will come. First row, first column, first row and first column will be blanked. To find the decryption, we have already known we have to find determinant. To identify the determinant, we know plus minus plus. Okay, now take this element, you just do not use these two, you have to multiply this. So 17, take 17 out. 17 into 18 into 19 minus 2 into 21. Same way, minus 17 into 21 into 19 minus 2 into 21, plus 5 into 21 into 2 minus 2 into 18, that is what, into mod 26. When you multiply, you get this result, and then when you again simplify it, you get this result. Now let us simplify furthermore. When we simplify this furthermore, what will we get? We are having 5100 minus 6069 plus 30. You get it as minus 939 mod 26. When you do this mod of this value, what will you get? See, 939 is your value. We have to do mod for 939 into 20 divided by 26. You get some value, minus 36 into 26, you get 3. 3 is your modulus, so it is minus 3 mod of 26. Always the determinant value should be positive, it can't be negative. So simply what we are doing here is this negative, to convert it into positive, we'll just add this minus 3 with 26. What will you get if you add minus 3 with 26? You get it as 23. So your determinant value is 23. Now after finding out the determinant, what is the next step we do is we have to find the adjoint of K. Here you see, to find the adjoint of K, it is very simple. Repeat the first, write exactly the key like that only in the first step, and repeat the first two rows here again, first two columns here again, sorry. Then again the first two rows again you will repeat down, so that you will make it a 5 cross 5 matrix. Now ignore this. Okay, you are just ignoring this complete line. Okay, now you have to write, you have to take the determinant of this and you have to write it in row ways. Take the column, make it row, take the column, make it row, take the column, make it row. Okay, this into this minus this into this, this into this minus this into this, this into this minus this into this, that is your row. Okay, first let me just write one thing and show you. Okay, 18 into 19 minus 2 into 21, then 2 into 5 minus 17 into 19, ಆಮೇಲೆ you will write it as 17 into 21 minus 18 into 5. This is your first row. Now we'll do it in the second row. Okay, second row also we'll do the same like that only. It will come as 21 into 2 minus 19 into 21, 19 into 17 minus 5 into 2, and 5 into 21 minus 21 into 17. Same way, when you apply for the third row, third column, you will get it as 21 into 2 minus 2 into 18, 2 into 17 minus 17 into 2, 17 into 18 minus 21 into 17. Okay, you have got the simplified version of this into mod 26. Okay, we will simplify this further and we will see what we will get. Now we have calculated the value. Okay, we have just simplified this, whatever terms you have taken, and we have simplified, we have got this number. Now for each number here we will apply mod 26. Okay, when we apply we get this matrix, and in this matrix all negative values are there, so we have to make it positive. So just add this number with 26, you get a positive number. We've got adjoint of k. Now keeping this adjoint of k, we will just find out k inverse. K inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant, what we have got as 23, and adjoint of k. So inverse of 1 by 23 is nothing but 23 to the power minus 1. Now keep in your mind, positive 23 in divided by the inverse is equal to 1 mod 26. You have to get this. Okay, this is our goal. We have to get this. Okay, in order to get 1 mod 26, how do you get 1 into 23? If you do, you will get 23 mod 6. This is not possible. Again 2 you take, 3 you take, 4 you take. When you apply and go, at last for 17 you will get the value. Okay, you will get the value for 17. So we have taken inverse of 23, we can take it as 17. So we have converted it into 17. Now multiply that 17 with all the terms, each and every terms inside the matrix, you get this value, and each and every term you divide and take modulus of that, you get this value, and mod of 26 will be kept as it is. Now for decryption, we will take this RRL as your cipher text, and for plain text we have to identify. We have taken this. Okay, now same procedure as encryption, what you had done, you have to just multiply and you will get some value, and when you put modulus you will get a value output. That output, you when you check for the values, you will get it as pay. Similarly, if you do, you will get even for the entire thing decrypted. For this all encrypted text, cipher text, you get the decrypted as pay more money. This is all about your Hill cipher problem. You have to just look through it very carefully. The very important part in decryption is finding out your k inverse, that is determinant and adjoint. A very crucial thing. In your encryption is easy because it is directly done. There is no more changes in that. But while finding out your decryption, be very careful while finding out your k inverse. That is one of the important thing. This is one of an important problem which they'll be asking for around 8 to 10 marks. So just go through all the steps correctly and do it correctly.